everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. I'm here today to once again thank you for all your wonderful support, all your really encouraging comments, beautiful comments in my last video, the 4 calling birds, and for again watching and supporting our A2Z of Christmas Craft collaboration hosted by the beautiful and the lovely, the amazing Rach and Bella Crafts. I am very sure that you already saw Rachel's video. She ends the series. She did a fabulous tutorial on the partridge in a pear tree. From the comments that we've had in our videos, most of you are saying that you are sad that this event is ending. I will also miss this because all the collaborators are just so awesome and I learned so much. But we do have a playlist that you can always go back to. I know that I will be doing that also in the next few days. So here are some of the projects that I finished following the tutorials. I watched all the videos, but I couldn't craft along every day because of my home situation. I am reorganizing my craft room and all my materials, my papers and all my supplies are in boxes. So it's kind of hard for me to craft along every day. But once I'm all settled, I will for sure go back to all the tutorials and follow them and make more projects because this is just half of what I have learned so far. But these projects are just so awesome that can embellish a really big journal. Every tutorial is my favorite. It is really hard to pick just one particular video because all of the videos gave really inspiring projects, unique and fresh ideas that you can easily apply to your craft projects. And we felt the spirit of Christmas, didn't we? I am not going to give you the up close of all these projects because I still have a long way to go. Again, this is not even half of what we've learned so far. Also, I ran out of ink again and I am not able to print the beautiful pages from the digital kit that Rach and Bella Crafts provided for us. And my plan now is to have the first 2 weeks of December to really focus on all the projects and finish them and complete my Christmas journal. It is going to be my personal, so I am in no rush at all. But I do hope that you continue to follow along and check our videos even though the series is done already. As a way to thank all of you for supporting my channel, for commenting, for subscribing, and also for supporting the channels of all the collaborators, I made this video as a tribute, and I hope that you stay till the end of this video and get to know all of us. You will have all the links of all the collaborators in my description also, and in this video you will see what they've made and their awesome contributions. Also, I'd like to mention that I am postponing the drawing of my giveaway. It was supposed to be tomorrow, but I am not doing it because I have to go through all the comments and I have to figure out how to pick the winner the fastest, the most efficient, and the most effective way. So if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment down below. I will postpone the drawing for a few more days, but do not worry, that will happen. I will have the drawing pretty soon and I will keep you posted. Drawing the winner is a little bit complicated this time because my criteria is that you comment on my video and then you comment on the videos of all the collaborators. So that is kind of like tricky to pick the winner this time. But that will happen. Don't worry. We will figure this out. Okay. Enough of my rambling. I hope that you enjoyed a peek of my projects. But the rest of the video will be for the entire team, for the collaborators of the A2Z of Christmas Crafts hosted by Rach and Bella Crafts. Please stay and enjoy the music. Thanks again, everyone.
Winter came in a gust of brisk wind, blowing snowflakes from the north. Shining stars and downtown lights are turning on to bring you warmth. Frosty crystals from the rooftops, bells along the way. Oh, what a joy around us on a Christmas day. Bring some garlands, bring some tinsel, it's time to decorate the room. Candy canes and scented candles, can you smell their sweet perfume? On the driveway there's a snowman, kids run out to play. Oh, what a joy around us on a Christmas day. Christmas, Christmas, magical time of the year. Christmas, Christmas brings a lot of cheer. Come, let's sing some good old carols underneath the mistletoe. We just love to light the fireplace, standing by its cozy glow. Santa's on his way with presents, reindeer pull his sleigh. Oh, what a joy around us on a Christmas day. Christmas, Christmas, magical time of the year. Christmas, Christmas, it's already here. Christmas, Christmas, wonderful time of the year. Christmas, Christmas brings a lot of cheer. Look now, here's a little list I made for you, if you can read. Look now, here's a lot of pretty things that I don't really need. So you don't have to give me every single thing. If I get that one thing that's on top of my wish list that I made today, on top of my wish list from yesterday. In case that you missed it, hear what I say. It's what I wish, it's on my list, on top of my wish list. Look now, I have been a good girl all this year, wouldn't you say? Look now, I believe it's time for something nice coming my way. But you don't have to give me every single thing. If I get that one thing that's on top of my wish